She's still that person, but she is getting like stronger and more fierce every single week. It is awesome. I love it.
It's
Great
real.
job, Lisa. Nice. All right.
She's evolving.
Virginia, let's get back to some powerful training. Curry Russell, what do you got for us today?
Ben, I want to talk about surprises. Surprises. When I joined this company, I clicked a link on somebody's Facebook profile. I didn't even know the guy. I didn't know the guy. And it turns out that I was skeptical at first. I actually clicked his link back in December and then signed up in January, paid the $49 to get started. And it's only been 98 days today. Guys, you don't know who's going to come into your team. You don't know where they're going to come in at. You don't know, you can't control any of it. And over the last 98 days, because I just randomly clicked his little ad on Facebook to check out his tour, he's making around $300 a month on match pay on just some random guy that clicked a link. Do you guys understand how crazy powerful this company is, that they give you a tour and all you have to do is share that with as many people as possible? A guy was in another company with a leader in that company, gave this training on flipping aces. And if somebody gave you a deck of cards and literally it told you to just flip through the deck of cards as fast as possible and you'll get $100, how fast would you flip through that deck of cards? LiveGood's paying you $25 on every affiliate and every member that combined that you bring into the business. How fast can you show people to make $100? Guys, we've been flipping aces. We've been flipping aces and flipping aces to find the right people to be part of this team. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's been surprises. Surprises. I didn't come to this company with a team of people. I didn't bring over a whole bunch of people, leaders from other companies. I didn't bring in. I'm working with surprise people who showed up, got excited about what was possible with pricing, with products, with team, with system that is already in place. Nobody has to go out and recreate the wheel. Nobody's going to go out and build their own web pages. Nobody's going to go out and buy leads. Nobody's going to go out and do any of this stuff. Literally run through your network of people, asking, like Tracy said, just talking to the people, asking them, hey, would you be open to checking this out? That's all I've been doing for the last 98 days. And what I love is the surprise of the people that we end up blessing.
Yes.
The people that we end up blessing in both directions, in both up in our upline and down because of the spillover we create. The people who go out and take massive action, creating massive spillover is unbelievable. But here, I want to throw this one caveat to this. If you join this company believing that you're just going to collect spillover, if you're just going to get in that spot, you're just going to collect spillover. Imagine if the last 10 people who are above you did the exact same thing. You ain't getting much spillover because everybody else is waiting on, oh, how come I didn't get any spillover? Guys, you have to be the person who literally takes action, flips some aces, find your team, and literally run as hard as possible for a short period of time. It's amazing what can happen when all you do is just share that tour video. So guys, I'm not going to take up any more of your time today. Surprises happen every single day. So take action and let those surprises happen in your business. Ben, back to you.